Hey guys, in this video we are going to take a look at how to solve highlights not working problem on Instagram. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. First, we'll navigate to Instagram. For that, tap on Instagram app and click on your profile. Now tap on the hamburger menu and it will lead you to settings. After you navigate to setting, click on the search icon and search for story. We are going to check some story settings, and here you can find save story to archive. You need to make sure that all these options are toggled on, especially the save story to archive option. And after you make this on, now head back and this should fix your problem. If this doesn't fix, then click on Instagram app, tap on icon. Now scroll down and go to storage. Finally tap on clear cache or clear data, and this should fix your problem easily. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.